All right, so this is the little challenge that I gave you to make, like I said, make this less overkill. We were actually adding the markers twice, which is really not a good idea. But in any case, that still works, and for educational purposes, that still works. But here is the solution, the better solution for our sake. What I did at the top here, okay, is I created marker options for Everest, called this Everest options, marker options for the Alps, and I created a list of marker options type. Okay, I could have said array list, same thing. Okay, very good. And then I went ahead and instantiated our array option list, marker options list. And then, of course, I created the actual option. So for Everest, I made a new marker option and pass in the Mount Everest position, right? Because we need the lat and long, and pass in the title, same thing we did before, and added that to our marker options. And then I did the same for the Alps option. I just did two. In this case, pass in the Alps and Alps, there we go, and added a different hue for our icon color. And of course, make sure to add to our marker options list. This way here, and I went ahead and comment everything out, right? All of the things we've done. And then I changed our for loop here to create marker options objects, put in objects here, which are going to come from our list, marker option list. Okay, and the code stays the same. Of course, we change the names as you see here. So we can get the position longitude to pass into our lat long, and then map that add marker and then pass the lat long that we're passing through each time. Okay, and of course we have the camera and all is good. So if you run this, that would be the little solution. If you run this, you're going to notice that we shouldn't have any other markers from previous because we commented them out. And now we should have only two, which is you can see now this one here. And we should see the one in Asia, which is Everest. All right, so they are indeed working. Very good. So this is a little side note here. Of course, this is very optional. I just wanted to give you a little challenge so you can see things in a different perspective. But the other thing also you notice here that I'm overdoing again is that this marker here, when I say map that add marker, we don't need to go and create a new options because we don't need that, right? So we can just pass these options here because that is indeed a marker options type, right? So we can just go ahead and go like this. And now it's actually going to work better because the colors and everything are going to show. So I'm going to run this. Go down here. You can see now the colors are showing. If you click, also the Alps is showing. And come down here, it's going to be yellow. Click and it says Everest. All right. Very good. So there we go. So that's the changes that you should make for this to work. And you can see I still have the other way around, which we added the markers. The previous way, we create the lat long and we adding the marker options and so forth. So both way work, but I like this better in this case because then we're not writing or creating other markers on top of each other. All right, very good. I hope you were able to put this together and I'll see you in the next video.